Chapter 22, Digital Data, Part 3, Using Binary, Decimal and Hexadecimal Number Systems. Part 5, Using 2's Complement. In today's lesson, we're looking to use 2's complement, similar to 1's complement, but it's a lot easier and more popular to use, and it's a way of working out how to get a negative number from a positive number. So let's work out this example. We're looking to find 2's complement of positive 43, which is 43. So the first thing we want to do is work out what the actual binary value is. As you can see, the very left hand bit, the 8th bit, is your sign, so that starts off at 0. Then you have placements of the ones. There's 1 at 32, there's 1 at 8, 1 at 2, and 1 at 1. So 32 and 8 gives you 40, plus 3 gives you 43. So this binary number here represents 43. The second step then is to convert it to 1's complement. Now, converting it to 1's complement, as you can read, all the 1's become 0's and vice versa. So 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0. So this line here is your 1's complement. And the third step then is that you have to add 1 to your 1's complement. Now, you'll notice that I've kind of got rid of a line here because in the previous section I just had my binary number 43 sitting here, but I don't have it here, and the reason why I don't have it here is it totally and utterly confuses you if you have it in. What we're looking to do here in this step 3 is take the 1's complement and add 1 to it. Now, in order to do that, we have to have some kind of rule as to how we add binary numbers. And the rule simply is, if you add a 0 and a 0 together, you'll get a 0. If you add a 0 and a 1 together, you'll get a 1. If you add a 1 and a 1 together, your answer will be 0 and you'll carry a 1. So we'll see this third step, this third row in the next example rather than in this example. So let's work it out. We have 0 and 1 gives us a 1, which is following the row. Then we have, there's nothing here, so that's 0. 0 and 0 gives you a 0. There's nothing here. 0 and 1 gives you a 1. There's nothing here, so that's 0 and 0 gives you a 0. There's nothing here, so that's 0 and 1 give you a 1. 0 and 0 give you a 0. 0 and 1 give you a 1. And 0 and 1 give you a 1. So we just added 1 to this 1's complement number, and this is the answer that we get. Now, what we're saying here is that 2's complement converts basically a positive number to a negative number. Now, just like, and I put it in bold writing here, please do not try and work out the values of these numbers because it just does not make sense. You know, you've converted to 2's complement, and if you've assured yourself that you've done it right, that's great. So just keep that in mind. Okay, let's take a look at 2 examples. So our first example is where we're using 2's complement to convert plus 100 to minus 100. So step 1, we take our 100 and work it out, and as you can see, we 1 at 64, 1 at 32, so 64 and 32 give you 96, plus 4 gives you the 100. Step 2, basically what we're doing is we're changing to ones complement. So all the noughts become ones, all the ones become noughts. So there's 2 ones, 2 noughts, 2 noughts, 2 ones, a 1, a naught, 2 noughts, 2 ones. Now it's this line here that we're going on to step 3 with, in that we're adding that ones complement and we're adding 1 to it. So we're ignoring this top line here completely and utterly. Please remember that. So abiding by your rules from the previous slide, 1 and 1 gives you a naught. Now take a look at this. I'm carrying 1. So now here, I've carried a 1 here. So I have a 1 sitting here. 1 and 1 add together give you a naught, and we'll carry a 1. 1 and naught, if you look at your rules, give you a 1 and nothing is carried. There's nothing here, so that's naught. Naught and 1 give you a 1. There's nothing here. Naught and 1 give you a 1. Naught, nothing here, so naught and naught give you naught. Naught and naught give you a naught. And naught and 1 give you a 1. So for 2's complement of plus 100 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, which gives you a minus 100. And like I said, don't try and work it out because it doesn't make sense. Example 2. Use 2's complement to get from positive 76 to minus 76. So 3 steps. Step 1, work out what positive 76 is. And that's 64, 8, which gives you 72. 72 plus 4 gives you 76. Then you convert it to 1's complement. So the noughts become 1 and the 1's become naught. So naught, naught becomes 1, 1. 1, 1 becomes naught, naught. And naught, naught becomes 1, 1. It's this line here again which we use in order to do step 3. We do not use this line. Remember that. We do not use this line. So we're adding 1 here to our 1's complement. Now remember the rules. Naught and naught that you have, so sorry, try that again. 1 and 1 that you have here, 1 and 1 gives you a naught and you carry 1. 1 and 1 gives you a naught and you carry 1. 1 and naught gives you a 1. There's nothing here, nothing and naught gives you nothing or naught. Nothing or naught and 1 gives you a 1. There's nothing here, so naught and 1 gives you a 1. Nothing here, so naught and naught gives you a naught. And there's nothing here, naught and 1 gives you a 1. So in this example here, 2's complement of positive 76 is 1, 0, 1, 1, naught, 1, naught, naught. And that gives you minus 76. So now we pause. And what you want to ensure that you do is get yourself a little bit of paper. It's probably easiest to work this out. When you're doing your 2's complement, you'll see the exercise. What I've done in this example here is I've hidden that top line there. So I got a bit of paper after I did my binary number and I got my 1's complement. I hid this top line. Okay, I just got a bit of paper and I put it over that top line. So you're just working with your 1's complement and adding the 1. Forget about this top line. Okay, so here are the answers for the first three questions. And here are the answers for the second three questions. And that ends today's lesson.